Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 3 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to be with you today. In our first 2 episodes, we learned how to introduce ourselves and how to ask basic questions. But now, we want to speak more. We want to tell a story. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, your daily routine. This means the things you do every single day. Learning to describe your day is a big step. It helps you talk about your life with friends and colleagues. Let's divide the day into 3 parts: the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. Part 1, the morning. For many people, the morning is a busy time. Listen to these actions and repeat them after me. I wake up. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. Very good. Now, let's add a small word to connect these actions. The word is then. It means next or after that. Listen to this example. I wake up. Then, I wash my face. Now, you try. Repeat after me. I take a shower. Then, I get dressed. Great. Now, let's talk about food. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Listen and repeat. I make coffee. I drink tea. I eat breakfast. I read the news. Let's pause here. Think about your morning. What do you do first? Do you drink coffee or tea? Say it out loud right now. Part 2, the afternoon. Now, the day continues. Most people go to work or go to school. Listen and repeat these phrases. I leave the house. I go to work. I take the bus. I drive my car. I start work at 9 o'clock. Now, let's look at the middle of the day. Lunchtime. Repeat after me. I eat lunch with my friends. I have a break. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Remember, in English, we use the word at for specific times. Let's practice that. Repeat after me. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I finish work at 6 o'clock. Part 3, the evening. This is the time to relax. What do you do when you get home? Let's learn some relaxing actions. Repeat after me. I go home. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I watch a movie. I listen to music. And finally, the end of the day. Repeat after me. I go to bed. I fall asleep. Now, let's try something difficult. I will tell you about my full day, and I want you to listen carefully. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink coffee and I eat breakfast. Then, I go to work by bus. I finish work at 5. In the evening, I eat dinner and I watch TV. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Did you understand? It is just a list of simple sentences. You can do this too. Here is my special tip for today. To remember these words, use post-it notes. Write, I wash my face, and put it on your mirror. Write, I eat breakfast, and put it on your table. When you see the words, you remember the English. Don't be afraid if you forget a word. Just keep going. Learning a language is like building a house. One brick at a time. One word at a time. Your homework for today is to practice your morning routine. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, say every action in English. Say, I wake up. Say, I drink water. This is the best way to learn. I am Adam. Thank you for spending time with me today. You are doing a great job. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.